Porous Abode, designed by Rahul Pudale Design, is a contemporary residence located in Belagavi, India, that seamlessly integrates natural elements into its architectural framework. Positioned on a narrow plot, the house utilizes strategically placed courtyards that serve as light wells and enhance cross-ventilation, fostering a connection with the outdoors. The design features a terracotta perforated facade that not only adds an aesthetic dimension but also enhances passive cooling, reducing dependence on mechanical systems. Inside, a striking metal staircase becomes a focal point, surrounded by spaces that are thoughtfully arranged for functionality and ease of movement. The use of vibrant magenta accents against a neutral gray palette adds depth and visual interest, creating a warm and inviting environment. Despite the spatial constraints, the house is carefully designed to accommodate the needs of a growing family, blending comfort, aesthetics, and sustainability.